Hey guys, this is Shirley with Unboxing Brand. Today we're taking a look at a box called PupBox. PupBox is a subscription box tailored towards your puppy. Their tagline is puppyhood made easy. Now, I don't have puppies anymore. I have 2 full-grown dogs. Speaking of, we also have another channel called Our Fuzzy Pals, and that channel is dedicated entirely to our 2 dogs, so be sure to check it out. I'll link it below. So like I said, I don't have puppies anymore, but I did want to see what the box is like. You can obviously order this for your normal dogs. They don't have to be puppies, but I am curious to see if there are any training materials inside because, hey, our dogs are still learning. I'm still teaching them tricks, so let's see what we get. All right. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so when you open the box, it says, with you every step of the way, hashtag PupBox. There are a lot of online subscription boxes, and this is the first one I've seen tailored towards puppies. So if there are any new dog owners out there, I think this box would definitely be something you might look into because it grows along with your puppy. That's pretty cool. On the inside, it's wrapped and there's a sticker, Puppy Bliss has arrived, PupBox. Oh, and this is also really cute. At the bottom of the box, it says, this is my bottom. Please deliver me face up. Thank you. Not sure how many deliver drivers are going to see that, but it's a cool touch. All right, so let's take a look at what we got. Whoa. Oh, okay. So this looks like it's a Halloween themed box because this has been sitting there for a while. I ordered a while ago and I'm just doing the unboxing now. All right, it looks like we have a Halloween photo contest. Maybe we can enter for next year, but it looks like you can enter your dogs in a Halloween contest and you can win a $400 Petco gift card as a top prize. I'm sure you can hashtag them and they'll feature photos on their social media channels. But that's pretty cool to win $400 if we had opened this a few months earlier. All right, so there's a note here that says, this pup box was packed with love for Harry and Jasper, they're my dogs, whose birthday is March 28, 2017. Everything in your pup box is handpicked just for you. Thank you for being a pup subscriber, Harry and Jasper. They're receiving the adult kid, large, they're boys, and they have medium hair. So it doesn't look like there are any training materials in here because I guess their training materials are usually tailored towards actual puppies, which is okay, I guess. Maybe if we ever get a puppy, we'll try out the actual puppy version and see what kind of training materials are there. All right, so those are the printed stuff. The first item that we got looks like a bandana with skulls on it, like a pirate skull bandana. Ooh, creepy. So judging by the size of this, I think this will only fit Harry. Jasper is probably too big for this. But that's a pretty badass looking bandana. Oh, wow. The next thing we got is this cat toy. It's a squeaky toy. Oh my god, there's five squeaky things in here. 1 on the head, 2 here, and 2 here. It's gonna be really loud later. All right, that's cute. 1 tough toy, non-rip lining, double stitch seams. So our dogs are power chewers. Even though they're power chewers, they still like these fuzzy and soft toys. And it looks like you can play tug of war with them. So we'll try this out outside with them in a second. The next item we got is this skull looking like toy thing. It's also pretty sturdy. And I don't know if there's squeakies in here. It's a chew guard. Toys help to ensure happy and healthy dogs and puppies. So I guess this is good for teething and also just for dogs that really like to chew. So that's cool. Next item is a squeak air. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a Kong ball and it really squeaks. Oh, wow. Cool. All right, as far as treats, we have this cow hoof. It's pretty small, to be honest, and there's only 1 of them. So I'm gonna have to find another one elsewhere because the boys will definitely fight over this one thing. And I'm afraid that Jasper might choke on it because he doesn't really chew that much when he gets treats. So I'm a little concerned about that. But let's see how Harry likes it. And then the last piece of treats we got are these Pure Bites, sourced and made in the USA, made with one ingredient and 100% natural. Oh, it's a cheese thing. Cool. I'm sure they'll love these. They love cheese. It's freeze-dried cheese. Cool. All right, so let's see. So we got a total of 2 toys, 1 bandana, a bag of freeze-dried cheese, a tennis ball, and this like cow chew toy thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this box. All right, they're getting a little anxious. Let's get outside and play these and give the toys to them and let's see what they think. Harry took the cat toy. Oh, is Jasper going for the treat? Oh, Jasper, no. Sorry, you can't have that one. Let's choose something else. Choose something else. Harry, here, look. What's that, Harry? What's that? Oh, is there a squeaky in there? No, just a chew toy. Yes, this is Jasper's favorite part of all boxes. He just tears everything up. All right, don't tear up the bandana. Oh goodness. Are you gonna tear up the box, Jasper? No? Let's see what Harry's up to. Oh, Harry found the squeaker. Where's the squeaker, Harry? Show us the squeaker. There you go. You got it. And then Jasper does this little dance whenever he gets a new toy. Uh-oh, here comes Harry. Harry wants everything. Good boy. Oh, there is a squeaker in there. Did you guys hear that? All right, so this is Harry the Husky and Jasper the Collie. Hey Jasper, are you looking for the new toy? It's over here. That's not it. It's over here. Harry has them all. Harry has all the new toys, as usual. Doesn't that sound cheesy? Alright, Harry, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Here. He's not so good at catching treats. So there you have it. There's PupBox unboxed. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and share it. If you also have tried this box before and you actually ordered for your puppy, let us know how you like it. I'm curious to see what the training materials are like. And maybe actually I should probably check out the website and see if there's any training materials there. If there's any other boxes you want to see us unbox, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!